Makisha Styles, aka Keish, and today I'm switching the videos up a little bit. You know, I normally talk to you about how awesome XtreamFx Global Academy is. I talk to you about the tools, about the back office, just about all the wonderful things that we have here in our community. But today I want to share with you some reasons why I decided to partner with XtreamFx Global Academy. Because as you know, there are other companies out there, but this one right here is a special reason why. One of the reasons is because of the simplicity of the entire academy. You hear me talk a lot about, okay, I like things simple, straight to the point. This academy provides it. So when you come in, whether you want to learn Forex, whether you want to learn HFX, whether you want to learn NADEX and binary options, or even how to get started with cryptocurrency, on top of that, how to create extra financial wealth with credit building, just every single thing that you need, right? But it makes it simple. So what do I mean by that? That means that once you come in, okay, you get access to the academy. You go ahead and go through the academy. Next thing you're gonna go ahead and do is make sure you get onto the live sessions where you're able to communicate with the actual educators. I love that. And then on top of that, you get the tools. So it's pretty much like step 1, step 2, step 3, success. All right, so that's what I love about it. Another thing I like about it here is the community. Now, if you don't notice, I am proud military, so I like to think about being in a community-involved atmosphere. So what I love about the XtreamFx Global Academy is that they provide that. So anytime I have any questions, I can reach out to the educators versus just finding someone on YouTube and just following them. You can't just reach out, right? But here, when we have the live sessions, you're able to just hop in, ask your question, whether it's on chat, or you can come off mute and ask your questions. And what I love about it is it doesn't matter the ranks here. It doesn't matter if you're 6, 7, 10-figure earner or not. Everyone answers your questions. So you're never left alone once you get started with us, okay? Another key thing I love about it, which is why I partner with XtreamFx Global Academy, is the trade ideas, which is the copy and paste. So if you're coming in here to learn Forex, every single day, you get copy and paste trade ideas. Because sometimes you get started in things like, man, I don't have time to do it. But imagine if you got the cheat codes straight to your phone and you just plug them in to their free app we always talk about, MetaTrader 4, here we always talk about, and you just go about your day. So not only that, say you coming in, you want to learn how to trade in the NADEX, on the NADEX platform, right? You get those trade ideas. So you're just copying from successful earners into your platform. Or if you want to come in and learn HFX, you just copying, because we vet everybody, okay? So you just copying their, they already did analysis for you and just copying it into your actual platform. How phenomenal is that? Phenomenal, I know. And then another thing, this might be the final of the many, okay? I like a lot of things about XtreamFx Global Academy. It's the way they really set you up to the gateway to wealth, okay? Because a lot of times you come into the companies and you're like, okay, I'm gonna learn how to trade, that's it. What I like about here though, is when you come in, you're learning how to trade Forex, and what is that doing, or HFX, or your NADEX, right? Or even building cryptocurrency, but now you're doing your cash flow. You're starting to create that cash flow. And on top of that, they start now showing you what to do with that cash flow. And then now you're learning how to work on yourself with the credit restoration, right? And then you're learning how to take your cash flow now, and now you worked on yourself, and now you're starting to start a business. Because now you got the cash flow from trading, but now you're starting a business. Then on top of that, they show you now how to protect your assets. A lot of companies aren't doing that. So you come in here, it's about more than learning how to trade. That's just the gateway to help you get started with the cash flow, to now to start to really set yourself up and your family up for that true generational wealth. They even show you at the top, like I said, how to protect it with a trust. Yes, you get all of that right here at XtreamFx Global Academy. So that's one of the key things I like about it, because it's not just focused on one particular thing. They show you how to get the money, how to keep the money, what to do with the money. Then on top of that, how to protect all your assets. So if that's not enough, I don't know what to tell you, but of course I got plenty more reason why I joined FX Global Academy, but it is phenomenal, okay? So if you have not already partnered with us, make sure you get back with the person that actually probably recommended this video to you, or if it was myself, go ahead and go down to the description, text or call me, and I'll go ahead and get on with you and walk you through on how to get started with us. So that is all for today. I'm looking forward to seeing you all within our academy. Also tune in next videos. And once again, it's Makisha Styles, aka Keish. I've been your host for today, and I would like to just wish you a blessed, prosperous, and wonderful rest of the day, and I will see you inside our academy.